In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up conditional logic in DocuSign. To get started, log into DocuSign and click Start. From there, choose Envelope, then select Get Signatures. This takes you into the standard sending workflow, where you can prepare a document for a signer and add the fields you need. Next, upload the document where you want to set up conditional logic. Once your file is added, enter the recipient's name and email address, then click Next to open the document preparation screen. This is the area where you'll place fields onto the document and define how they behave. Now you'll add the trigger field. This is the field that controls whether other fields appear. In DocuSign, supported trigger fields include a checkbox, radio button, drop-down, or text field. Choose whichever one makes the most sense for your form. For example, if the signer needs to answer a yes or no question, a radio button can be a very clear option. After that, add the conditional fields. These are the fields that should only appear when a specific condition is met. A helpful tip here is to place these fields exactly where they belong in the document before creating the rule. So everything is ready once you connect the logic. Once the fields are in place, click the trigger field to open its settings. In the Field Properties panel, look for Conditional Logic and select Create Rule. This is where you define what should happen based on the signer's input. Now set the condition. Choose the value that will trigger the rule. For example, you might create a rule where selecting yes in a radio button causes additional fields to appear. This is useful when you only want signers to see relevant questions, which can make the document feel cleaner and easier to complete. Next, select the conditional fields that should appear when that condition is met. Be careful to choose the correct fields, especially if your document includes multiple optional sections. Once everything is selected, click Done to save the conditional logic. Before sending the envelope, take a moment to review the conditional fields and make sure they only appear when the trigger condition is met. This review step is important because it helps confirm that the signer experience will work the way you expect. When everything looks good, click Send to send the envelope with the conditional logic configured. Thanks for watching.